153. Now this 74153 multiplexer is used as 4:1 multiplexer, but there are dual. Dual means two. There are two 4:1 multiplexers available in the IC. Got it? 74153 is 4:1 multiplexer, but in the IC there are two 4:1 mux available. Clear? Now we'll see the functional diagram of 74153. Now in the pin diagram, logic symbol or functional symbol, whatever you want to see, say you can say. This is 74153, 4:1 multiplexer, dual 4:1 multiplexer. Dual means now the two multiplexers are having four inputs. So for the first multiplexer, the input is D0, D1, D2 and D3. Similarly, for the second, we have an input D0, D1, D2 and D3. Now, along with these two inputs, we have two separate enable signals. The first one is a enable bar 1 signal and second one is a enable bar 2. This is the first enable signal. First enable and this is second enable. The inputs are D0, D1, D2 and D3, and here it is D0, D1, D2 and D3. This is for the first mux and this is for the second mixer. Now along with the data inputs and the enable signal input, we have the select lines inputs. Now the common select lines are used into the both 4:1 multiplexer in the 74153, and these common inputs are A and B, or you can say that S0 and S1. Now the common S0, S1. The S0 is connected to the pin number 14, S1 is connected to the pin number 2. Now the first enable signal bar is connected to the pin number 1. Second enable bar signal is connected to the pin number 15. D0, D1, D2 and D3, they are connected to the 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, pin number 3, 4, 5 and 6. And D0, D1, D2 and D3, they are connected to the 10, 11, 12 and 13. And outputs generated are Y and Y0, Y bar. This is the first Y and this is the second Y, which are available onto the pin number 7 and 9. This is the logic symbol for 74153. Take down in your notebook. 74153 multiplexer IC is having two 4:1 multiplexers implemented on IC. First multiplexer is having 4 inputs and 1 data line input. Second multiplexer is having 4 inputs, data inputs and enable input. And the select lines S0, S1, these are used common inputs in both the multiplexers, multiplexer 1 and multiplexer 2. And outputs generated are, the first multiplexer's output is available onto the pin number 7. Multiplexer's output is available on the pin number 9. Now we'll see the truth table for the 74153, which is a dual 4:1 multiplexer. Now the inputs given to the 74153 are, these are the select lines inputs and the enable inputs. The first input is first enable bar signal, second input, second enable, third one is the select lines, S0 and S1 and the outputs, first Y and second Y. These are the two outputs. Now When the first enable signal is active. Active means the input given as a 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. When the first enable signal is given as a active, at that time the select lines are used to select the output from the first input, first multiplexer input. That is, the inputs may be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. When the first enable signal is active low, the select lines are 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. The output selected as first D0, D1, D2 and D3. Now at the same time, suppose if the second enable signal is also 0, 0, 0, 0, then and the select lines are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. At that time, the 2y, that is the output of second multiplexer, is giving the outputs as second D0, second D1, second D2 and second D3. Now suppose if the first enable signal is 0, 0, 0 and the second enable input is 1, 1, 1. Now at that time the select lines may be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. At that time the input first D multiplexer is going to be select 1, D2 and 1, D3. At that time, the output of the 2y is a 0, 0, 0, 0. Similarly, it is possible that the first enable signal is a 1, 1 and second enable signal is 0, 0, 0. When the second enable signal is 0, 0, 0, the select lines inputs are going to be considered and output is selected of the second multiplexer data inputs. That is 2D0, 2D1, 2D2 and 2D3. At that time, whatever input is available onto the first data inputs is not going to be considered and output is selected as 0, 0, 0. When both the inputs are 1, 1, the data inputs are 1, 1, at that time whatever the select lines are having input is not going to be considered and multiplexer 74153 is giving the output as 0, 0, 0. This is the truth table of 74153. Dual 4:1 multiplexer. Clear truth table? Do you understand the truth table? If you clear the concept of the truth table, no need to by heart. When the first enable signal is a 0, then the output and select lines are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. Then first multiplexers data inputs are selected as a output. When second enable signal is a 0, 0, 0, then at that time the second multiplexer outputs are selected as a outputs based on to the select line using two 4:1 multiplexers. Okay, now at that time what I can do, I have a 4:1 multiplexer. Now I want to implement 8:1 multiplexer, so I need two multiplexers. So now I am going to use the two multiplexers. This is first multiplexer, first mux 1 and this is second mux 4:1 and 4:1. Now the 4 data inputs I will give here. Next 4 data inputs I will give here. This is D0, D1, D2 and D3. D4, D5, D6 and D7. The output of the first mux is giving the first Y and second mux is giving the second Y. I want to implement 8:1 multiplexer, but I am getting here the two outputs. So I will simply OR together these two outputs and I will get a final Y. But along with the data inputs, the multiplexer 1 and multiplexer 2 needs the select line inputs. Now 4:1 multiplexer is having two select lines, S0 and S1. Second multiplexer is having two select lines, S0 and S1. But 8:1 multiplexer needs the three select lines, 2:3 is equal to 8. So what we are going to do here, S0, S1 we are giving as a common inputs. S0, S1 we are giving as a common inputs. Okay. And S3 we are giving as a enable input to the first multiplexer and second multiplexer. But simply while giving the enable input, I am using here the NOT gate. So when S3, S0, S1, S2, when S2 is equal to 0, then mux 1 will be selected. When S2 will be 1, then mux 2 will be selected. This is 8:1 multiplexer using two 4:1 multiplexer. Now similarly, if you want to implement 16:1 multiplexer using 4:1 multiplexer, then at that time how many 4:1 multiplexers will require? 4. You have to use 4 multiplexers. The common inputs S0, S1 of the first, second, third and fourth multiplexers you can connect, and S2 and S3 you can give to the last multiplexer. Now that is how to expand the multiplexer.